Hi, Clark F. Harvey, the BBQ Mortgage Guy, owner of First Rate Mortgage, serving clients for over 22 years in residential lending in 5 states and in all states for commercial lending. Today, I want to talk to you about who can be a giftor, who can gift funds to you in buying a house. So typically, and again, it depends on the loan program, that it has to be a blood relative or somebody that's related to be an aunt, an uncle, a grandparent, a parent, a brother, sister, typically blood relative. And now these sometimes can change. So for example, it could be somebody that I did that they weren't married yet, they were engaged, and it was the soon-to-be father-in-law is the one who gifted them. And in the language at the time in the handbook, it allowed for somebody to do that. Even though he wasn't a blood relative, it was somebody that was connected in that fashion. And so they could gift those funds. We have to document those funds to make sure that they're not borrowed. And those funds can go to the kids or whoever that looks like, a cousin. We just need to write that relationship down. We're not going to get documentation, saying, and, a tree heritage and stuff like that. So, but it is something that we do have to write down. We're going to fill out a form. They're going to say that these funds are for the purpose of gifting and how much that is and what it's going towards, which house. And so those things are important. So we're going to go ahead and get that gift fund from them. Sometimes we'll require bank statements to verify they have those funds, or sometimes it's just a deposit slip coming from their account to yours. And that's one way to do it. Another way to do those funds is to have it sent to title, wired to title. And the wire shows all the incoming bank and the outgoing bank, the date and time and the amount, all those things. And so that's what's going to help us be able to document the funds that may come from a gift. That's a great way to get into a home. If your parents or whoever that looks like is able to do that and get that down payment, or even a portion of it can be gifted to you. Say the down payment's $10,000 and they can gift to you $3,000. That's perfectly fine if you have the remaining balance to do that. So that's pretty simple, plain and simple gifting from family members, typically blood relative. If you have any questions on that, reach out to us at 801-562-9100. Clark Harvey, the BBQ Mortgage Guy. Thanks and have a great day. And check us out on YouTube, like us and subscribe, and Spotify and all the different channels. Thanks.
You've been listening to Clark Harvey, the BBQ Mortgage Guy. Clark is a licensed mortgage loan originator, NMLS number 240452, and his company, First Rate Mortgage, NMLS number 1172332. You can get a hold of Clark at area code 801-562-9100 or at his website at www.thebbqmortgageguy.com.